Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on push notifications for a saved search on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get push notifications anytime a new item is added to your saved search on eBay. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what we're first going to do is hop onto the eBay app, and then next you want to click on My eBay on the bottom left hand corner, and then you want to click on Saved. Once you click on Saved, you're going to see your saved searches. You want to click on the three dots of the item that you want to go ahead and turn on push notifications for. So you can see here, you can get email alerts and you can get push notifications. Go ahead and toggle on get push notifications. So now when a new item is added to Japanese Pokemon card 36, I'll receive a push notification. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on push notifications for a saved search on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.